So well, I got it. What I've been done. I'll tell you what I've been done. My mother's phone. This is my mother's phone. Huh? I was traveling out, so people were following me. So the one who defames me has contacted press, and they have publicly defamed me now. They have done it publicly now, for which evidences should be provided. They have publicly defamed me with false evidences. Whatever they did. Getting this right? Whatever they did, so they have to provide. Look, phone location. If they provide the phone, I am ready to. I went to police station. Hmm? That they enter my house. If I am out or I am sleeping, so they enter my house. So they steal clothes. They do their stuff. Hmm? And false CCTV footage must have been provided. So that file should be presented. That file should be present, right? Hearing this one. That file should be there. Because tampering of time is already caught. So the one who defames me is the one sold the data, have money and is in the bank transaction. Hearing this one. So the one who defames me in press publicly have sold the data, provided fake evidences of elevator CCTV, but the file should be present. If they are accusing me publicly, then the file should be presented. If my press conference is stopped of giving the copyrights to the entire country, then the file should be presented. Hearing this one. And that's the same person sold the data and has a transaction in the fake bank account. And that's a prostitute who is hiding a client list, and the one who provided that tampering time surveillance must be got the same thing, a FOC or something like that. Getting this right? And stolen phone and dead phone location will be provided. Or if the M02S is provided, that means, and T-shirt is also there, that means they entered my house. And fake service elevator time has been provided. And if this phone is used to do something, then this phone is always in the aqua. Today I bought it here, and while going to the court to call someone, I get it. Take it from my mother. Getting this right? This phone is always with my mother. I only take it when I have to call someone. Either I have to go to court. So the one who defamed me has that bank transaction, false surveillance with no file providing, and this phone is always with my mother. Today I only took it because my cellular is display. I'll show you again. My cellular display has been damaged. In the morning. I cannot blame anyone for this because the moment I pick up the phone from the bed, the display was on and suddenly it goes off. I think that's right. And if the clone phone which sold the data and then it switched, then it's a good thing. I will come to know in which house this phone was there. I only have to get location check of 4th of November. Getting this right. It's their own technology killing them. It's not mine. I mean, they defamed me in public. Now they have to provide the files to everyone. Everyone are going to do the file forensics. They defamed me in public. Why would I live a defamed life? And let them have what belongs to me. Let them have my. Why would I give my stuff to them? Getting this right?